Hello everyone, my name is Ulas Tiwari. I am the faculty of Maths in Greenberry Board School, Lucknow. Today I am going to explain you a Vedic maths trick to find out the square of two-digit number. So how it go through? Please see the steps. Suppose we take any number 65 and we want to find out the square of this number. So it is very easy by the trick of Vedic maths. The square of 5 is 25 and the square of 6 is 36, and multiply 6 to 5 and 5 to 2. 3 5 is 30 and 32 is 60. Just write 60 just below it and leave the first place and add these digits. This is 5, this is 2, this is 6, 6, 12, 2. Carry 1, 4. So the square of 65 is 4225, means 4225. I think you get the steps and please practice it according to the following steps. Thank you.